I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So you may recall that 357 Magdad sent me some tools recently that I could add to my restorations, and one of them is this. It is a Billings Wrench. What's interesting about it is it doesn't have anything here on this end. It doesn't have a box end or an open end. It's just on one side. So that leads me to believe that it's probably a specialty tool or something, but I'm not certain. Well, you know, it's kind of got a rounded shape to it, which is nice, but the casting here is a little rough, so I'd like to fix that up. And it might be a good exercise in polishing and cleaning. So I guess that's it. Let's get after it. Well, that turned out pretty good. You know, it wasn't as, I didn't take it as far as I would have liked to, but I was a little bit worried about, you know, taking the scaling down too far since it's such a thin profile. And as it stands, you know, it's a good looking wrench, and it feels good in my hand, and I'm going to add it to my collection. So I'm going to say it's done. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you next time.